Hello, my friends. Welcome back to the Daily English Listening Stories, where learning English is fun, simple, and real. I'm Leo, your host for today, and I'm not alone. I have a wonderful guest with me, Anna. Hi, Anna.
Hi, Leo. Hi, everyone. I'm really excited about today's topic, but also a little nervous
Oh, nervous? Why?
because today's topic is something many people are afraid of.
You're right. It's scary. It's something most of us can't imagine. A day without the internet.
Oh no, no Wi Fi? No 4G? No 5G? That sounds like a nightmare.
Yes, it does. We use the internet for everything. For work, for school, for fun, even to order pizza.
Exactly. But today we'll imagine what happens if one day, suddenly, the internet disappears.
No scrolling, no YouTube, no checking messages.
Just quiet. And maybe panic.
Okay, Anna, let's imagine this day together. So, Anna, it's morning. Your alarm rings. What's the first thing you do?
Hmm. I'll be honest, Leo. The first thing I do every morning is check my phone.
Me too. I check messages, emails, and the news.
But today, I grab my phone and nothing. No internet.
Oh no! So your alarm worked, but you can't check anything.
Right. I can't check the weather, so I don't know if I need an umbrella.
You have to do something very old-fashioned. You have to look out the window.
Wow, that feels like the 1990s. And I can't look at Instagram. No social media.
No TikTok, no cat videos.
Oh no, how can I survive?
And I can't read the news, so I have no idea what's happening in the world.
It feels strange, right? Quiet. Too quiet. I feel disconnected.
Yes, that's a great word. Disconnected. Like the world is still moving, but you're not part of it.
Exactly. So I get ready and go to work. Normally, I listen to music on Spotify, but now, silence.
I listen to podcasts, but no internet, no new episodes.
We just sit on the bus and stare out the window.
That sounds peaceful, but maybe a little boring too.
I think I would feel nervous. I check my phone every 10 minutes, so without it, I'd feel lost.
Okay, now we're at work. And guess what? Still no internet.
That's a disaster. My job depends on it. I always check my email first thing in the morning. But today, nothing.
And you can't join your online meeting either.
Right. I had a Zoom meeting at 10 a.m. My team is waiting, but I can't even message them to say why I'm late.
That sounds stressful. And what about me? I had to search for information for a report. Usually, I just use Google. 5 minutes and done.
But today, no Google. So what did you do?
I had to walk to the company library. A real library with books.
Oh no, you used a paper book?
Yes, it took me 1 whole hour to find the information I needed.
That's crazy. I also had a problem. I had to visit a new office. But without Google Maps, I didn't know where to go.
What did you do?
I asked my coworker to draw a map on paper.
A paper map? That sounds like a treasure hunt.
It really was. And at lunchtime, I usually order food online, but today I had to walk to the cafe and wait in line.
So, no food delivery. That's the worst.
I know. And when I was eating, I couldn't watch YouTube.
So, what did you do?
I just ate, and I talked to the person sitting next to me.
A real conversation. Wow, impressive.
Yes, it felt strange at first, but also nice. I actually enjoyed it.
Maybe without the internet, we talk more and work better.
Yes, maybe. But the day feels much longer. No emails, no chatting with coworkers online. I felt completely out of the loop.
Finally, the work day is over. We go home, and guess what? Still no internet.
Oh no, I can't watch Netflix. That's my relaxing time.
And I can't play online games with my friends. It's so quiet.
I usually video call my family in the evening, but tonight, no call. It makes me feel lonely.
I understand. At first, I think I would feel on edge, checking my phone again and again, hoping the Wi-Fi comes back.
Me too. But maybe after 1 hour, I'd relax.
What would you do?
Maybe I'd finally read one of the books I bought but never opened.
That sounds nice. I might play my guitar. I haven't played in months.
See, we can do real things again. Things we never have time for.
Exactly. Maybe I'd even talk to my neighbors.
That's brave, Leo.
And I'd probably go to bed early. No videos to keep me awake.
Yes, the day would be quiet, simple, and maybe peaceful.
So, a day without the internet sounds difficult, but maybe it's not so bad.
Yes, it's stressful for work, and we feel lonely at first, but maybe it helps us slow down and relax.
Exactly. And it reminds us that real life is happening right in front of us.
That's true. And maybe it's good to have a break sometimes. Just one quiet evening without screens.
I agree. And speaking of breaks, maybe you can try it too, listeners. What would your day be like without the internet?
Tell us in the comments. Would you read a book, play a game, or just sleep early?
We'd love to hear from you. And don't forget, you can listen again to practice your English and find all the new phrases we used today.
Thank you for listening to the Daily English Listening Stories. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, share, and subscribe.
Stay curious, keep learning, and maybe spend a little less time online today.
Yes, that's great advice.
See you next time. Bye for now.
Bye for now.